My name is Amelia Clark. I am from Brazil. I am a psychic reader, an aura reader. I'm also a psychoanalyst. And I want to invite you to join me and Kristina from Voyages of the Spirit in a rose meditation course that I will teach online in May. The truth is that we're dealing with many external energies all the time in our bodies, in our homes. We're dealing with very complex issues that haven't been processed by humanity that come in and out of us all the time. We are all connected. So the more we're able to concentrate on what we need to concentrate, the more we will evolve. But to know what to concentrate on and even how to concentrate on that, we need to be more in our own energy, in our own higher power. And that is what the Rose Meditation does. It helps you break free from what's not yours so that you are in your body, in your energy, dealing with what's yours with your higher power. So we need to cleanse our body, we need to cleanse our energy, we need to cleanse our homes. And these techniques will all do that work. It's very simple, it doesn't take a lot of time, and it's very necessary, especially if you are a therapist, especially if you're dealing with dense energies, if you're having negative thoughts, if you're tired, if you're not holding your energy. That is what the Rose Meditation is for, is to reconnect yourself with the source of Mother Earth, of the divine energy, of your own divine energy, so that you can move forward with clarity, with intuition, with focus, and with understanding of who you are and what you need from your life. And even understanding how you can also give that back to the world, how you can help people just by being yourself. So I hope you will join me and Kristina in this beautiful weekend on the 22nd and 23rd of May, so that I can teach you the Rose Meditation that holds all these techniques that will work in your aura, will work on your energetic field and the field around you. Thank you. See you there.